What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a YouTube videos playlist into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see next to keyword a field called search plugins. Click on it and type automatic YouTube gallery. Here is the guy from Theme Plugins 360. Click on install now. Click into the activate button and click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, or it's gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page. Never miss an important update. You can allow the plugin to collect data from you or not. I'm gonna skip this, okay? But up to you. After the plugin gonna request you to build your YouTube API key. How to do this? Let's jump to this part. First thing, go to console.cloud.google.com, just like this. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one, and next to the Google Cloud logo type, you're gonna be able to see projects. Okay, you can click on new project in the case that you don't have anyone, or click into any project and click on new project, upper right corner of my screen. You can type the project name, up to you, okay? Can be, for example, YouTube playlist API. You can link this to some organization or not, up to you. Here is the project created. Let me select this project. We are creating it, okay? Google is made it for us. Click on it. Here is the product. Now we're gonna click into this little hamburger icon into the upper left corner of my screen, and into products and solutions, we're gonna click on all products. APIs and service. Enable APIs and services. Welcome to the API library. Click on search for APIs and type YouTube. Just like this. And the guy that I'm looking for is this one, YouTube Data API v3. Okay, it's very important that you use this one. Okay, click on it. Now click on enable. We are almost there. Now we're gonna need to create the credentials. To use API, you need credentials. So into the upper right corner of my screen, there is a blue button, create credentials. Click on it. Service, YouTube API. Public data. Click on next. And just wait. And here is my API key. Please do not share this API key with anyone. It's very important, okay? I'm just doing this into a video, so nothing to worry. The status is enabled. The type is a public API. So I'm gonna go back with my API key and place right here and click on proceed. So right here we can choose channel, username, search words, single videos, live stream, so we can even embed live streams, custom video list, or a playlist. Now I will choose a playlist. I can enter the playlist ID or the URL. I'm gonna go to my YouTube, find one of my playlists. It's very important that the link be just like this. Review my browser link, okay? youtube.com, playlist, list, and the number of the list. Copy all the link, go right here and place the link. Cache duration specifies how frequently you should check your YouTube source for new videos updates. A day, an hour, a week, a month, a day is okay for me. Now let's go to the next option. We have the layout classic because we're gonna keep this for free. I'm gonna keep in 3 columns, 12 videos, the video ratio, show title, video title live, show video accept live, pagination type, and pagination label. You can change this according to your site language, okay? Playlist optional. H, show video title, description, autoplay, up to you. Autoplay next video, this is very important. Loop, muted, player controls, hide YouTube logo, up to you. I would recommend that use YouTube logo, up to you, okay? Force closed captions, show animations, player language, you can type it, okay? The full captions language, you can type as well. Let's generate our shortcode, and here is our shortcode. All we have to do is copy this shortcode and go to one of our pages, posts, widgets, sidebars. For example, gonna create a new page. So go to our WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over pages, click on add new page. I'm gonna click into this plus button, search for a block or a widget called shortcode, and place my shortcode just right here. Let me publish the page, and let's review the results we got. And here is our playlist, full of videos, just like it is on YouTube. If I add a new video to this list, in one day, the video gonna be displaying right here. Of course, we can customize the amount of columns, the amount of videos, we can change the amount of text, but as you can see, it works perfectly and works for free. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your design overall. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium themes, plugins, templates, icons, widgets, blogs, or support, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!